Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla shooting his atomic blast in like a close-up view. I wanted to do this so I could show you guys some more of the details and everything that go into his face. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Godzilla's head, we need to begin right here on our paper. We want to start by drawing a little line that's just going to come down and then it's going to curve back like this. Next, we're going to bring this back a little bit farther. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and then it's going to go up. Then we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve up. Then starting here, we'll add a little line and we'll draw another one that's going to curve up and we'll color this in. Then we're going to draw a couple little curved lines right underneath the eye here. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to come up here and it's going to curve back down. Then we're going to curve this line over and then down. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and over. We're going to curve this up, we're going to come down and in like this. We'll make a little line that's going to curve down. Another one's going to come in. Next, we're going to bring this line down. We're going to go out and we're going to bring this around. And we're going to come down here. Next, we're going to bring this down. We're going to go over and up. Next, we're going to bring these lines down a little bit. And we're going to bring these lines down, and we're going to bring a couple over here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to make some more smaller teeth in here, and we're going to make a bigger one right there. Then we're going to make some little pointed teeth here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go down like this and then over. We'll draw a little line that's going to go down and it's going to come back, a little broken line. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to bring it up. Then we're going to bring this line over and we're going to curve it in for the jaw. And then right here I'm going to curve this line down. Right here we're going to make a little line that's going to come up and down and a few more little points with a bigger one here. Then we're going to make some different little points right here for some more teeth. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and it's going to curve down for the tongue. And we're going to do one more. It's going to go down, we're going to curve it down and then back. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and it's going to curve back. And then we're going to curve this one out and come back, and then we're going to go all the way to the end. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down to about here, and we're going to put some more teeth in here. And we're going to leave a little bit of space to make them different sizes as well. Now, starting here, we're just going to bring this line right around. I'm going to add a little line up here, and a couple more little lines right around here as well. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to make some broken lines that come up. Then we'll start here a little bit higher, and we'll do that same thing. We're just going to come down with some broken lines and up. And I'm going to repeat this just a few more times until we get all the way to the bottom. Next, I'm going to kind of curve some of these lines up just a little bit. And I'm going to bring this one back a little farther. Next, we're going to draw a couple little broken lines kind of right around the mouth here. And right in this little area, we're going to make some long lines, just to show where the skin is kind of stretching. Next, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come out and then down. And I'm going to repeat this a few times. We're just going to go out and down, and just like this. We're going to make some little long kind of broken lines over here. Then over here, I'm going to make some bumpy lines that are going to go down and kind of curve up to kind of show where his gills would be. And we're going to make some more kind of little bumpy lines around here. I'm going to make some little lines coming down. And some little lines coming up and down right around here too. Now right where some of these like little curves are, we're just going to add some extra little lines just for some more detail. And a little line or two right above the eye. I'm going to make some kind of, using like broken lines, these kind of like rounded oval shapes over here. This just kind of adds a little bit of like a scaly texture in here. All I'm doing is just making these little kind of broken ovals. And I'm going to make some more kind of curved lines over here. I'm going to make some more kind of long broken lines right around here for some detail. And we'll add some more lines all over here as well. Now, right across the back, I'm just going to add a little bit of a point, and it's going to come down. And I'm going to make some more kind of little jagged lines on here to start some of his dorsal fins. We're going to add some curves on here, just to make him look a little bit more detailed, and a few broken lines on there. And maybe a couple more little lines right on the neck. And a few more on the tongue too. Now we want to make his atomic blast coming out of here. I'm going to draw this with kind of like a finer line so it's not super, super dark. So we're just going to make some kind of long lines come out here. And I'm going to put some little kind of curves and points on them as well, so it looks a little bit more, has like a fire look to it. And I'm going to do the same thing out here. We're just going to put some of these kind of long, pointed, curvy lines on here. You can make some of the lines broken too if you want. Then just to finish it off, you can add some extra little points and details on here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Godzilla giving his atomic blast, kind of like a close-up view. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.